guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today's video I'm just gonna be unboxing some things that I bought for the FRS. It's a bunch of little things, but it's just things I've been needing or have been wanting, so nothing too crazy, but I did want to do a little unboxing since they all kind of just started stacking up on each other. So I have about like 5 things, I think, very small. So I'm gonna be unboxing it and then installing some of the things. I'm actually not filming the entire thing right now. I'm still waiting for 2 more things, but I do want to unbox my grill, so I want to start it today and then just finish off the rest of the unboxing when all my stuff comes. It's gonna be no difference for you guys, but I just want to let you know because I'll probably be in a different outfit and look a little bit different because it'll be in maybe 2 days that I'll finish off this video. I've been running my car with no grill and it just does not look good. This just kills it, and I just really want to put my grill on. I've had it for a couple days now, but I've been waiting to get everything in so that I could just do one big video. I can't wait no more because I'm going out Cars and Coffee tomorrow, so I just don't want to pull up with the ugly. Like, my car's already not looking cute, and this is just like another thing to make it not look cute. I just want to open it already. I ordered my grill from the Toyota website and then just picked it up at the Toyota dealership in the parts department. I believe there was like a sale when I ordered it, so I think it came out to around 60 to 70. It wasn't too bad considering I was ordering it brand new. I really hope this stays on because my last grill got destroyed. All the clips were broken from so many times that I've hit it and abused it, so it was bad and I destroyed it. And I just hope it was the clips on the grill and not the clips that are on the car that go into it. I guess we'll find out tomorrow if it doesn't fly off on me. It was $71.04. So I ordered on the 18th and it was ready the 21st. So about 3 days they had it, and then they just sent me an email to go pick it up. So you could get it shipped, but I believe shipping was like $30 or something. And I was like, no. Guys, all covered, padded. Bubbles. Here it is, all blue. Got the grill, nothing special, nothing fun, but necessity. I'm just gonna take off the bumper and clip it in. Oh, hell no. That's happened to me before and I couldn't get it out. Oh my god. That took way longer than it needed to. I literally am like sweating. Clips on the bumper would just like bend back. I would get one side, the other side would unclip. I'd clip all the middle, and then when I would move to the sides, it would all unclip. Oh my goodness. I was getting mad, but it's okay. I think I got it on. Hopefully we're good to go and this thing doesn't fly off tomorrow because I will literally give up after that. Like, I'm done. See you guys in a few days. Okay, fast forward a couple days / a week, honestly. But I want to let you guys know that May 14th, my brand Streetless is dropping their new collection. So this is one of the shirts and I love it. It is so comfy. I've been showing all of the products on Instagram, so if you don't follow me, I'll put my personal Instagram and the Streetless Instagram on the screen, and I'll probably pop in a few pictures of some of the other items. I have new stickers coming out. I have this shirt and there's another design with my car on it, which I love that design as well. There's hoodies and there's some new colorways. Like, there's a blue and pink colorway and a brown and pink, which I am obsessed with. Okay, getting on to the unboxing. Let's start with the little stuff. Let's just... These are hub-centric rings for my wheels. The wheel doesn't get centered on its own. I kind of have to maneuver it for the lug nut to sit flush, or else the wheel rests on the lug nut, which is not supposed to be like that. I've been needing these for a while, but honestly it wasn't a big deal because I could just center it myself, but these will make my life a lot easier. I got a couple things for my wheels. Actually, I do plan on getting new wheels soon. I already have my eye on some that I want. I just have to see when I'm gonna order them, I guess. I love my wheels so much, honestly, but it's time to upgrade and I'm so excited and I can't wait to show you guys when those come in, but that's for another time. I did order these from eBay. I believe they were like less than $10. They were very, very inexpensive and they're just plastic. And then the next thing I got, everything's for my wheels. It's like wheel accessories. That's what this video should be, not even for the FRS. It's for my wheels. These are my center caps. Since I've got my wheels, I wanted these so bad and I don't know why I never got them. It was just kind of not really at the top of my list ever to be like, okay, I'm gonna get them, but I finally got them. Got these Kansei center caps and they're pink, and honestly they look more hot pink on the website. I'm gonna open one, but it'll be so good. I ordered 4 obviously for all my wheels, and I believe they're like $25 each, so for all 4 it was 100. Like this. It has the little protector, so once I put them on I'll take it off. Next thing I got, I actually opened it because this was the very first thing that I got. So I got some new lug nuts. These are actually the same ones that I have on the car. Taken off my wheels so much that all of the color on them is vanished away and they just look really bad. A fresh pair of pink lug nuts is what I needed. These are the Muteki SR48s, and I believe these were around $70 to $80. So they're just pink, they're super cute. When I freshly put these on the first time I got them, I loved how they look. I just wanted to revamp my whole wheel area, so I thought these would go perfect. They actually match pretty good. Like a whole pink vibe up here and then like a different pink vibe down here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna love it. Definitely when I put them on, let me know if you guys like it or not. It's fine if it's ugly for a while. So I have 2 more things to unbox. You guys already know what this is. This is probably like my 900th lip for this freaking car. This is how it came wrapped. I've never gotten a lip wrapped like this. It usually comes in a box. But so if you guys watched my video on my lip install, I know I said that was my favorite lip, and I've gotten that one a couple times. I wanted to try something new, but you're gonna see after I open the next package that I'm in a bit of a dilemma. I want to see how this one looks first, but I actually ordered 2 lips because I couldn't decide. There's some damage to my front bumper that this lip doesn't cover, and I kind of want to get that covered, especially because I'm going to be going to a couple shows in the summer. I'm not going to be rewrapping my bumper again because I just got it rewrapped and I really don't want to. My solution was to get a lip that hopefully covers, but this one definitely doesn't cover. I got this one on eBay as well. That's where I usually buy my lips from, and they come out pretty good. Okay, so this is how it came wrapped. It just says Magic Drip. So this style lip is a GTS style lip. The ones I usually get are the CS style lip, which I love that lip. And honestly, this one kind of looks like that one. It is very similar. Oh, this one feels way thinner than the one I had. I'm gonna bring out the big boy. So this is the second lip I was talking about. This is the Gretty lip. And I'm scared to open this because one, I don't know if I'm going to love how it looks. I like the fact that it's going to cover all the damages on my bumper, but I don't know if I'm going to love how big it is. I need to see first, obviously, before I judge, but those are my pre-thoughts before opening it. 2, when I got this, it was actually open already. So the FedEx guy came and I had to sign for it, which I didn't know how to sign. But I was like, okay. And it was fully open, like the whole thing was unboxed. There was no tape holding it together. I don't know if they opened it. I'm going to assume that everything is still in here. I obviously looked when I got it because it was literally delivered to me like this, and he just handed it to me and I was like, okay, thanks. But the lip is in there. So this lip is a little more expensive than the usual lips that I get, but again, I really wanted it because it covers the damages, and that is what I'm looking for. So the lip alone is $250, and I had to pay for $60 shipping. I got it from the 86Speed website, but I couldn't find the lip anywhere else, so I'm gonna leave the link to this exact lip where I got it from. It's huge. When I tell you this is huge, I don't know if this is gonna fit my car, like style wise. So it did come with this little envelope. It comes with this 3M tape. The instructions looks like it's all in Japanese. Yep, all Japanese. It comes with 2 screws and this little bracket thing, but I don't, is this all you need to freaking put it on? And then obviously the little Gretty emblem that goes in the middle of the lip. Oh my god. I accidentally left my 86 plate yesterday and I drove with it all the way from LA, and I just realized that till right now. I don't think it's gonna cover this, but I don't mind as long as this is covered, and I can't buff this out because this is all coming off. So this lip was the next best thing, but I don't know, it's looking a little thickums to me. See, it perfectly covers everything. It's a little intense, I'm not gonna lie. It's a little, I think you have to pull it to make it fit like really snug, and that's probably why it only comes with 2 screws because it's such a tight fit. This is a really intense lip. It's really big. I think right now it just looks a little weird because it's black, but once it's wrapped the same pink, it'll look better. And then just put the little gray on there. The whole thing wraps around and it fits fine on the other side and all throughout. But then come look at this. Boom. So I think I do have to pull it. I'm kind of scared to do it right now. Keep in mind though, it is not going to be black. Once it looks like it's with the flow of the car, it won't look as like boom in your face. Right now it's a very harsh separation. Once it's wrapped, it'll just look really thick and aggressive. The other one, I think it needs to cook in the sun a little bit because it's been in that packaging, but it kind of looks like the old one I had. But at first glance and first impressions, I like my old one that I usually get, the CS style one, a lot better than this one. The other one is a little more expensive. It's like maybe 40 to 50 bucks more expensive. This one has this little wrinkle going on, and I don't know if it's the way that they packaged it. It probably is, because if it's been like that for a while, obviously it's not gonna hold its shape. And the one I usually get does come in a box. This is where I need your guys' help. Should I wrap this lip or the Gretty one? If I'm being completely honest, I'm leaning towards the Gretty lip only because it's going to cover this. I want to hear your guys' opinion. So comment down below which lip I should do, and yeah, I'll probably make another video and see which one I chose after I get it wrapped and stuff and show you guys how it fits. So this is how the center caps and the lug nuts are looking. As you can see, they used to be pink once upon a time ago. Hair has got to go up for this. Don't do what I just did. I knew it wasn't a good idea, but I thought if I do it lightly, it won't matter. I freaking cracked it. Cracked it. I don't think it'll be too noticeable once it's on. So annoying. I can't believe I did this. So since I cracked the other one, I actually took it off and I'm putting a fresh one because this is my best wheel out of the whole car. It has no curb rash. It is the most freshest. I also figured out how to put it on, so I have to step on it because nothing else was helping. Take my crock off. Just stand. That didn't sound good either. Ooh, so nice and fresh. I don't know if this is weird to show, but I didn't do a great job of cleaning the back because I don't really care that much, but have centric rings on. This is how the pink look. It's just gonna look so much better. Obviously, this is freaking nasty. I actually really like how it looks. I know it's not the same pink, but these two pretty much match. I like the contrast of pinks, that they're not the same, so it's kind of like its own thing, but this is its own thing. I don't know. I might be the only one that feels that way though. So I'm just gonna tighten them down and I'll be good to go on this side. So here's how they look. Let me know what you guys think. I honestly really like it. Ignore my freaking curb rash. This one's a little backwards, but I like it. this is where I'm going to be ending this video. I'm just going to be doing the other side really quickly. Definitely let me know what lip you think I should put on, because I am very in between. I don't know if to go a little more subtle and safe or go with the bulkier / aggressive one, which I'm kind of leaning toward, only because like I said, it covers the damages that I have on the bumper. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know what you guys think about the wheels, the little revamp I gave them. Also, don't forget, May 14th, the new Streetless drop is going to be out. Definitely don't want to miss out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.